Hey guys, so today's video is sponsored by Charbin Plus. Today I'm trying out their organic coconut charcoal mask. Charbin Plus's products are handmade in Africa, formulated especially for black and brown skin. So this mask that I'm trying out, it has organic coconut shell activated charcoal, which helps detoxify your skin, soothing chamomile oil, which helps protect your skin from pollution. The mask also renews your skin, hydrates, and also draws out impurities. So I put on the mask and I left it on for 5 to 10 minutes and rinsed it off with warm water. And I definitely felt a renewed feeling after I had the mask on. Make sure you check out their website. They have 30% off a lot of their products. I'll leave the link down below. And you can also use my code IFY, IFY, for free shipping on your order. So thank you Charbin Plus for sponsoring this video. And now let's get into the vlog. Welcome back to our weekly vlogs. Today is, I don't know, Thursday, February 4th. And Cam to school. Cammy's back there. Cammy, say hi to the people. It is cold out there. Water is life. It was a snowstorm while I was gone. So yeah, so I'm back from Kentucky for the week. I had an awesome work week. The work week goes by so fast when I'm there, but it's just the last day, shift. The last day of my shift just drags. But other than that, it actually goes by pretty fast because the work that I'm doing is like constant, so the night goes by. And I'm able to like listen to like music while I'm working and stuff, so it helps with making the night move along. Okay, so the agenda for today is I have orders that I need to process, package, and then take to the post office. It's still kind of early right now. It's 8:30, and the nail shops don't open until like 9:30 because my nails are atrocious. The love on the last vlog. I'm trying to get my stuff together. We have new sleepwear that's going to be restocking. What day is it? Probably next week. And the pink kente print, which is I think one of the most popular prints along with the lion head print, that print debuted in the short sleeve PJ set. So next week when they're ready and to be shipped out to everybody, the print will be in a long sleeve, long pants PJ set, and also in a robe. So it's going to be perfect because then if you already have the PJ set from before, you can get the robe and then wear the robe with like the shorts. And if you do get the long sleeve, long pant PJ set, then you get the robe as well, and then you can wear like the robe with the long pants. So just creating like sets and mix and match. So I love that. So that will be here soon. It's going to be so pretty. Cam's back there eating his waffles. Alright, let me take Cam to school. Cam, say goodbye. Bye. Cam. Eat your waffles. Eat enough. Okay, so Cam is in school. Cam loves going to school. Yeah, ever since the first day, anytime I drop him off, like he never looks back, you know, like he just ready to go inside. He's excited. So I'm happy that he loves it there. He feels safe there. He has fun there. And that he loves his teachers and stuff. So yeah, I thought like the first day that he would like, you know, be like, yeah, I don't even know. I just thought that there would be maybe in the beginning, you know, or any time he would like not want to go to school and cry when I drop him off. But drop him off, he like never looks back. He never remembers that I was there. So so it's good. Anyways, I'm going to head home. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go home and then do some work and then come back out and do my nails. So all right, so we have a bridal shoot today with Ella Rose Weddings.
They wanna put me on the display, but me I know send. Make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw well okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hate me when you see me, they want to know. Talk about me in the street, to myself, only make them. They got to go. Talk about me in the bed, do my calm down. I'm on yeah. I'm on yeah. Wọ́n fẹ́ já mi láyà, wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ méjì. But my music fire, it dey drive them crazy. I want tèmi wọ́n gbọ́ mi. For my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see. When me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake pussy. Man a bad man.
Alright, so I finished dress number 1. Now I'm on to dress number 2. Hey guys, it is Monday, February 20. Fail. Let's start that over again. Hey guys, it is Monday, February 22nd, I believe. Yeah, yesterday was the photo shoot I had with Ella Rose Weddings. So it was so fun. We got a lot of pictures and video in, so I tried to film as much as I could. Just a lot going on. So yeah, and I didn't have my tripod, so I couldn't really put it up. There wasn't really good ledges to put my camera up, but I tried a little bit. So I just dropped Kim off at school. I think I had a package there. Let me go pick it up. I think I have a package at UPS, I believe. So I just dropped Kim off at school. I just dropped some mail off at USPS. Let me go to UPS and see if I have any mail in my mailbox, which I believe I do. I haven't checked it in a while. I'll be right back. Okay, so I had a couple packages, so I got those. So now I had to replace my tires on my car, and my dealership was giving one quote, and I know Chris just did his tires, and usually if you do it outside of your dealership, it's a little bit cheaper. So I found this place here that's just like down the street from where we live, and they gave me a quote that was literally like $500 less than my dealership. So I was like, yeah, order those tires for me, thank you. So they ordered it, and it came in Saturday, but I wasn't able to go in, so I'm going in now so they can do it. I don't know how long it'll take, but I just brought my book just in case it takes a while and I have to wait in the lobby. So, but I don't mind if it takes a little bit, because I don't mind sitting and waiting and reading something. So, but yeah, it is so much cheaper. We saved a pretty penny. All right, let's go. Okay, so I just got to the tire place, and they said 40-minute wait, so I have my book here that I'll be reading, so it should go by fast. And then after this, then I will head home and then start packing orders, because we have a lot from over the weekend. So yep, so I'm gonna be happy reading. Babe? Yeah? Can you help me get this glass up here?
The
glass up here.
Where are you going to with your big bumbo?
What?
What is this you're wearing?
My leggings. The new ones I just ordered.
Wow. Where did you order it from?
From Amazon.
Is it the one that the people are talking about? Is this it? Yeah. What? I don't know what it does, but that was fake. I know that, but it definitely does.
Baby, know I recorded you? Good morning, people! It is a beautiful Thursday morning. Beautiful. It's rainy, but we still good and happy. Right, Cam? So, it is 9:30, about. Ah! Oh my God. You scared me! Babe, I had a heart attack.
I know you left, so I was like, babe, that's it. They don't forget your phone.
Oh my God. You scared the bejesus out of me. I guess I forgot my phone though. Okay, got my phone. Okay, so taking Cam to school. And then I thought I would have time to grocery shop, but I will not because I have my first rounds of meetings with my business academy that I launched at 11 o'clock today. So, and I have 11, 12. No, I think I have 3. I think I have 3 consults today with you guys that watch, that are in my academy or trying to be. Yeah, so it's been, I think this is week 4. Yeah, this is week 4 of my business academy that I launched, and I launched it 4 weeks ago. So it's been fun, it's been good, it's been crazy, it's been like, I'm loving it, making connections, meeting a lot of you guys. So it's been really busy, but I love it. That's why I decided to do this. So yeah, so it was I launched it just to help people that have an idea for a business or just starting a business, maybe already started, but you know, still trying to, you know, lift off and, you know, figure out how to do things. You know, maybe they have a couple ideas but don't know which way to go. And then also for people that maybe are just, you know, aspiring to be like bloggers that have less than 10,000 followers, and you know, trying to find, you know, growth strategies and trying to brand themselves and, you know, get brand deals, sponsorships, you know, free product, all that stuff like that. So that's what I launched, and it's been great so far. So I have a nice group of ladies so far in my academy, and you know, they all range in different things and businesses that they're doing. So I love it. So yeah, so when I launched, I opened up, you know, I wanted to give like at least like free one-on-one consults for anyone that's interested, and then, you know, have a nice chat with them. And then some people that are not even that, you know, it's not everyone that will, you know, I'll bring into the academy, because I, you know, really want to work with people that are, you know, ready to, you know, like ready to work, you know, have a really good solid plan and kind of know like what direction that they want, you know, have like a vision for it. So, but the other people that maybe I didn't, you know, bring on to my academy, we still had a good consult, and I still, you know, gave them a lot of advice and guided them on, you know, on what they're trying to do, you know, still. So, you know, at least people that maybe aren't in my academy, they you know, got a good clarity on a lot of things. So, which is good, you know. As I said, like, I did this because I really wanted to help, you know, you guys that, you know, wanted to launch a business, you know, have ideas, don't know where to start, know what to do, you know, all that stuff. And it's like a hand-holding thing, whereas, as I say, hand-holding, like, you know, helping you get from 0 to launch. So yeah, so as I said, it's my passion to, you know, help, you know, you guys, or, you know, women, or anyone that's just interested in, you know, launching a business. So it's been fun. And, you know, over my time that I launched my business, I grew to learn that I love doing that. Like, I enjoyed the process for myself. So what I'm trying to do is just have you, you know, get rid of the trial and error and that time in between, like shorten the time between the idea to launch, and just give you all the tools, resources, and mindset and planning and organization on how I got to where I am today, you know, just to help you speed up the whole process, you know. So it's been fun. So yeah, so as I said, I'm all booked out for this month. I had over 60 consults that I did, and then I'm decided to open it back up probably the end of April, beginning of May, to just, you know, have the next round of anyone that's interested to do that. So look out for that. I'll probably announce it on my Instagram. So yeah, so it's been fun. So today the agenda is take Cam to school, grocery shop sometime later, gotta do my eyebrows. I have all my business consults today, do my nails, what else, and then orders. Yeah, so many orders to do, oh my gosh. And then I'm trying to plan the next photo shoot, you know, so I'm trying to coordinate, you know, time and space, like, you know, spaces, you know, studios and photography time. So it's been a little herky-jerky, but anyways, I missed you guys. Hope you missed me too. Cam, anything to say to the peoples? Okay, cool, awesome. Hey guys, so today I'm getting my COVID vaccine finally. I think I'm the last of my family of like healthcare workers that is getting their vaccine. So I just got off work. Today was day 7 on my 7-day shift in Kentucky. So I'm getting my vaccine before I hit the road to go home. And yeah, so we're like in this arena, and I think they give the vaccine like while you're in your car, so you have to go through the drive-through kind of thing. And my appointment is at actually 8:15, but I got here like 30 minutes early just so I can get the process rolling. So I'm in line, I'm here. I don't know how long we'll have to wait, but I'm glad I got here early because people are starting to come in now. So it's all good. I have a lot to catch up on, so the time will probably go by fast because I have so much to do on my phone. So I'll update you guys when things are happening. Is it warm in here? Hello.
Treat your temperature real quick. That's good. Do you have a QR code? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Fenora? Fenora. Like
if you
pull up to this first table right here.
Okay. What do I do now?
Oh, you can just turn your car off.
I'll turn it off. Okay.
Can you give me your ID and then the white paper up there? Have you been sick within the past 24 hours? Any vaccinations in the past 14 days?
No.
Any allergies?
No.
Any reaction to any vaccines?
No.
Have you been diagnosed with COVID before?
No.
This is your first time receiving the COVID vaccine?
Mm-hmm.
And there's no, is there any chance you're pregnant or breastfeeding?
No.
In 15 minutes. Yeah. What arm are you going to want it in?
Oh. In my right arm.
Okay, that's fine. You can just turn.
Okay, okay. Are you a pharmacist or a nurse?
I'm a nurse.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, first couple seconds, my arm hurts. Like it feels just uncomfortable. So we drove into an arena, and now we're driving out of the arena. Yeah, my what the hell? I don't know where we're supposed to go. Now we're going to the observation area where we have to sit in the car. I have a card on my dashboard that says that I'll be ready to go at 8:30. So going to the observation parking lot. Back to Ohio, guys. Back to Ohio. I'm vaccinated. Halfway vaccinated. That guy was the guy that started with me. All right, I'm gonna go back to reading my book. I'm actually reading, I do want to do a post on this on Instagram, but You Are a Badass at Making Money by Jen Cicero. Really good book. Really good book. I recommend it. Anyways, I'll be on the observation deck. Talk to you later. It's been 24 hours since my vaccine, and I am fine. The only side effect I had was like arm pain right at my shoulder. That was about it. It hurt enough where, you know, it kind of just like put me out, kind of just like to just lay down for the rest of the night. And then and I like wasn't able to like take Cam a bath and stuff like that because it hurt to like lift my arm up and carry things and all that stuff. So ooh, it is sunny today. You can't even see me. So yeah, so as I said, it's been 24 hours, so I think I'm in the clear. So everything was good. I had the Pfizer vaccine, if I didn't mention that one. So yeah. Oh yeah, Junior got his vaccine yesterday as well. So I think the only person left in the family now is Chris. So and I think Ohio just opened up, yeah, because that's how Junior was able to get his, just opened up the age range. So yeah, Chris will schedule his probably sometime, probably try to schedule it today to get it as soon as possible. So yeah, Erica and I are trying to plan our yearly best friends trip. We missed 2019 because I was pregnant, and we missed 2020 because of everything going on. So we are here and ready for 2021. We have some destinations on our list. We haven't made like a final decision yet, but as soon as I know what we're doing, I'll let you guys know. But I'm excited, ready to go out, just live. And Chris, you know, he always encourages me to, you know, take time to have fun with like my friends, and, you know, go on like girls trips and stuff like that, just to get away from, you know, the busy everyday business life, mom life, wife life. So yeah. So this weekend I'm off. We are planning a shopping spree trip on Saturday. So I don't know who's all coming. There's like a list of people that are interested, but until I see your face, I'm not sure if everyone's coming. But maybe Inky will come with the kids, Ugochi, Inky's sister-in-law, mommy, me. So yeah, so we're trying to put that together, and some other family members and cousins and in-laws and stuff like that. So I'm excited. We haven't been group shopping in a very long time, so I am here for it. I'm excited. We're gonna go to the outlet mall that's around here and do some outlet shopping. Addy babies, say hi. Happy birthday. Okay. Okay. It's because I have so much footage, but I haven't been editing it.
You should get edited.
No, it's iffy. So we're at Brio with the crew.
It's crazy.
It's Ugochi. Ugochi, say hi. Hey.
Is this my water?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mommy, Jidenna, Cam, me, Addy babies, Inky, and Okenster, and Junior. Saturday was a fun shopping day with Ugochi, her sister-in-law, Inky, the kids, me, Cam, mommy, Junior. It was like it was a girls shopping trip, but then girls plus Junior, because Junior wanted to participate. This mood. Excuse me. And then yeah, so it was good. It was a good shopping day. And then got some stuff. I actually got some clothes at Express. I wasn't really trying to like buy clothes because I was like, I'm like not ready. Like my body isn't, my summer body isn't ready yet. So I was like, I don't want to buy clothes, but I was like, but I need to buy clothes so that I have something to be motivated and excited for this summer, for like events and traveling. So let me just buy stuff. So I bought, the things I bought were really good. They fit me, but they could look better, you know, when I get my summer 2021 body together. So it's a good little, you know, motivation push. So, but Express had a really good sale. It was like 60% off clearance. So I was like, sign me up. So I got a couple good things. And then let's see, and then Michael Kors was having a sale, so I bought it back at Michael Kors. Dropping packages off at the post office. I just dropped off at USPS. And I was like rushing because anytime, so we have 2 different drops for the day. So the first drop is like around 1 o'clock, and that's at my house, because that's when the mail person comes to our house. So whatever packages are ready to go, they take. And then anything else that's still packaging, orders that are still coming in after that time, then that's when I take all those to the post office myself, just to make sure that they're scanned in and, you know, moving along for the day. So anytime I come in and I bring, because I have a big, like this duffel bag, it's like huge. Like it's the size of like an extra large body bag. It's a really big duffel bag, and I bring all my packages in there if I don't do boxes, but it fits a lot. So anytime I come in there, sometimes they give me attitude because I have so many packages, and they're like, do you have a scan sheet for this? And I'm like, no, I don't. Lighting in here is really bad. I was like, no, I don't, sorry. It's because my, like, whatever. I don't have time for that. Oh my gosh. So anyways, so I was okay. I know they gave me attitude today because it's like 30 minutes before 5:30. They close at 5:30. And yeah, so I went in there, and then nobody was at the counter. So I think they were like looking for a package for somebody. Somebody was in at the counter. So I was like, okay. And as I was like, okay, nobody's here, so let me just throw these on the counter. And I was like, and at the same time I was like, damn, I forgot my mask. I was like, I'm not going back out there. So I was like rushing so that so they don't come out and see I have like 5,000 packages to put on the counter, and then 2, I ain't got no mask on. So I was like rushing, like I was like pulling out packages by the handful, throwing on the counter. I was like done. I was like out. I was like, yes, thank you, I'm out. And I was like, oh my gosh. But now I'm at UPS. I have 1 package to drop there, and then I am done and gonna go get Kim. This time I'm not gonna forget. Can you speak? I'm not going to forget my mask. Thank you. Ooh, the crust is real. Yeah, we're trying to clean up our credit report as best as possible, just to get it as good as we can get it before we start the home buying process. So what we're trying to do is get our credit reports up, credit scores up. I'm lagging, sorry ma'am. And then save up for like down payment and all that. And then also trying to figure out if we're buying or building, because if we're building, then there's a couple builders that we're looking at, and we need to find land to build, because they're like custom builders. So we need to find land to build, and the land, it's like, I never knew how much land was until like you have to start looking for it, and I was just like, ow! Is that how much land costs? Okay, so yeah. So then kind of want to look into buy a good piece of land in a nice neighborhood, like the neighborhood like we like, the vibe that we like, and then to pay for that piece of land. So yeah, so just trying to make some moves, trying to manifest some dreams. So pray for us.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, been a run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency. Original bad